Hi, this is Ramya Ramapriya, a stand-up comedian from Bangalore. And speaking about Bangalore, today we're going to try classic Bangalore dishes. And Zomato has sent almost all of them. Let's start batting. Batting is a term we Bangaloreans use to say that we're going to start eating. And usually everyday eating, everyday batting is like 2020 cricket match. But today is like a test cricket match. So let's pace ourselves, shall we? Guys, I'm so excited. My Zomato delivery is here, no contact delivery, and I am going to try all of these today. Benne Masala Dosa from CTR is the go-to comfort food. This is how it comes in, and we're going to open it and we're going to start eating it, and I can't wait. This comes wrapped in the banana leaf. Eco-friendly packaging, guys. The chutney is wonderful, and then they have the masala in it. The dosa from the CTR is so crispy. Dude, it's really awkward. This is so good. Bro, this is so good. I can't stop eating. Did you know that the UNESCO has rated idli as the most healthiest breakfast in the universe? Speaking about idli, I have idli and vada from the famous Veena stores. You know, I'm just saying, like, how can you not have idli without the vada? Because, you know, like rice and rasam, we want chips on the side. Those are the softest idlis with like spicy chutney. And the consistency of the chutney is like almost hand ground or grind. What? I don't know. It's not like you've put it in a mixie and you've made that smooth paste. It's just like the olden haath se with the rock. You've done it, and it's no amount of technology can replicate this texture. I'm just gonna go old school and have the vada with my hands, guys, because that's how it's done. This texture of gutty chutney. Next, we have a restaurant that's almost like Hermione's bag that's called Shanti Sagar. You know, back in the day in college when all of us were deciding where to go for lunch and someone wanted Chinese, someone wanted, I don't know, Indian, North Indian, South Indian. We couldn't, by the time we picked a restaurant, the lunch break would have been over. But then there is Shanti Sagar, where any group of people can go and order any kind of cuisine and everything tastes good. Today we have Puri Sagu from Shanti Sagar. This is the Puri. Please don't spill. So we're gonna try the Puri and Sabzi and Bhaji and Sagu. And this, I can't stop eating. That's nostalgia in a box. Next we have Andhra style biryani from Meghna Foods. Meghna biryani unboxing is going to take a while. Oh, look at the beans, guys. Guys, this is the paneer. Okay, I'm going to eat. The paneer is so soft. This is really great. Got that famous elaichi. Again, can't stop eating. 2 thumbs up. Next, we have Lifu paneer from the Szechuan Dragon. And Zomato has sent a card with it. It's sweet. Okay, can you see the sauces? The Lifu paneer. Glad I have my fork ready. I can't make out what exactly is in it except for the paneer and the chili, the onions. This tastes so good. You have to try. I always keep wondering what's the right spelling for Szechuan. Is it S-C-H-Z whatever or S-Z-C Szechuan? It feels like the entire community is trying to guess the right spelling of Szechuan. Now we have come to the beast of the show, the showstopper, I would say, is this full Andhra veg meal from Nandana's. And if you have been to Nandana Palace, you would have ordered Bale Ele Oota, which is Bale Ele and Oota. Oh my god, this is so... paper cut. I had to clear out the table for this. There you go. This is the full meal rice, guys. Okay, so I really don't know how to serve this to myself, but I can just tell you that this almost feels like I'm eating it there. As you can see, I have laid it across, and look at these small. They've given ghee, guys. They've sent ghee. Dude, if nobody is inviting you to a wedding or anything and you're feeling left out, just order full meals from Nandana, dude. It's mind blowing. And let's not forget papad. Guys, ghee. Gunpowder. Chatti pudi. So before starting batting on the banana leaf, the most important thing to do is I don't care how I look. Guys, stop being the wedding photographer and stop watching me eat, guys. It's making me uncomfortable. We all know that the meal that you eat on banana leaf is almost incomplete without this one thing. You know what I'm talking about. You gotta do it. The feel that this full meal gives is not for your tummy, it's for your soul. It's so creepy. Mission accomplished. Next up, we have our very old Iyengar Bakery, and we have masala toast. You know, when you go to Iyengar Bakery and when you order one of these things, you know what they do? They hold it like this and cut it. Wait, I'm not good at this. They're very good at this. Okay, I'm sorry I destroyed the masala toast. This is the aloo bun and this is the masala toast. Also toasted to perfection. Not too brown, not too black, not too white. Was that racist? They use a sweet bread and inside it's spicy masala. So it's sort of like a hot and sweet combination. Like a go-to snack. I'm a busy woman, I need something to eat, grab and go sort of a thing. Aloo bun is mostly like, you know, the Bangalore version of vada pav. I think I ate a chili. We have this amazing, very famous filter coffee from Airlines Hotel. I've had so many writing sessions there. And now you can have the coffee at your doorstep. You'll not get it anywhere. Just say. We have Khara Bath from the Airlines Hotel. One thing about Bangalore is, no matter what you order, they give it with chutney. It's like chutney pudi that you put on the side, but it's chutney because they don't want to give you a dry thing with a dry thing. So they give you a semi-solid thing. That feels good. And now we come to the best part of the meal. The dessert section. We have the Lakeview special from Lakeview Milk Bar. Zomato has sent over this special dessert. Packaging is amazing, by the way. Ooh. The quality of ice cream is so good. I remember back in the day when we couldn't go to bars, we would just go to Lakeview Milk Bar, and to sound cool, we would be like, I was just at the bar. I know, lame, but I think I have to stop. You know, this is like that Comic Stand sketch round where I kept eating everything. Now we've saved the best for the last. The most iconic Death by Chocolate from the corner house. Like, I go there to get Death by Chocolate. Okay, let's dive in. I think I'm gonna cry. Just having a bad day. Just order Death by Chocolate home, guys. Oh, you're still here. I forgot about you guys. That's how good this is. So, we tried a lot of classic Bangalore dishes today from various classic restaurants. You know, the establishment has changed 3 different generations and the quality is the same, the taste is the same, the feel is still the same, and now all of that is available thanks to Zomato at your doorstep.